In the wild world, monkeys are an interesting animal. Monkeys with the ability to observe the same characteristics have made people both delighted and surprised. Unlike other animals, monkeys do not spend much time eating and sleeping. Instead, they often climb, acrobate, explore the world around to satisfy their curiosity. Monkeys are most closely related to humans. They can also express emotions similar to ours. The faces of the monkeys are different. Some monkeys are very pretty, some have fierce faces, some have lions-like lions, some have large noses. They use their faces to attract mates and to make signs. Identify people while looking for food. Monkeys own up to 3 moves. When walking and running, they use both arms and legs. Meanwhile, when in the tree, they only use 2 limbs to pass from one branch to another. In the case of moving on the tree, the tail of the monkeys help them balance very well. Scientists have classified the monkeys into 2 groups, the ancient monkeys and the world monkeys. Both groups have many similarities. However, the number of the 2 groups is not similar. Up to 96% of the world's ancient apes live in forests and grasslands in Africa and Asia. Meanwhile, 65% of the world's new species of monkeys live in Central and South America, mostly distributed in wet forests. On the other hand, the nostrils of the ancient world are smaller and closer together than the worldwide species. Normally, the world's ancient monkeys will have larger bodies. For monkeys, the tail plays a very important role. Most monkeys live on trees, so to balance by jumping from tree to tree, monkeys will have to rely on their tail. Although there are many different sizes and shapes, the tail of all the monkeys in the world can handle it. Thus, the tail functions similarly to the hand, helping them climb over the branches. The tail of the world's new species of monkeys are often longer and more clever than the world's ancient apes. Many world-class apes live on the ground with short tails and rough buttocks. With them, owning a brilliant pink ass becomes pride and ready to show off to others to admire. The hands of monkeys are very much like human hands. It also has fingernails, fingertips, fingerprints, and as useful as our hands. With long and flexible thumb, monkeys can grasp objects, pick leaves, pick up food easily. They can even use their hands to remove the thorn from the soles of their injured feet. Monkey species have their own family life. Monkeys are often clinging to the mother's body when the monkey climbs or looks for food. When they stopped moving, they took their children in their arms to protect them. Monkeys have a childhood span of 3 or more years. As soon as he can leave the parent's arms, the monkey begins to integrate into the herd. Gradually, the monkey learns the skills necessary for life such as climbing, fleeing enemies like snake, lion, African leopard or other primates, looking for food. Monkey species also know how to show their love to their fellow. They are huddled together in cold weather, grooming or brushing their hairs to pick up lice, dust, insects or dry skin. Not only helping each other clean the body, picking up the parasite, combing the hairs of monkeys also carry their friendly message for each other. However, the life of monkeys sometimes happens a lot of controversy. They also appear irritated, angry by grinding and clenching their lips in the face of the enemy. This is an act of intimidation and is also a way of expressing the willingness to fight. Monkey species are omnivores, meaning they eat plants and animals. They eat everything from fruits, nuts, young leaves to insects and larvae. The average age of the monkeys varies from 10 years to 46 years. As intelligent animals, monkeys are very often used in circuses because they can perform more reckless and unique performances than human beings. Things you do not know about monkeys. 1. The origin of the word monkey is unclear. It may stem from the word mank, the name of Martin Ape's son in a medieval animal story. It is also related to the dwarves, from the Dutch manneken. 2. There are currently 264 species of monkey. 3. Monkey can be divided into two groups. The former world monkeys live in Africa and Asia, and the world monkey live in South America. 4. A baboon is a monkey in the world, while a baby monkey is a New World monkey. 5. Some monkeys live on the ground, while others live on trees. Different apes eat foods like fruits, insects, flowers, leaves and reptiles. Most monkeys have tails. The world's smallest monkey with adult males weighing between 120 and 140 grams. While the world's largest monkey, adult males have a weight of up to 35 kilograms. 8. Monkey capuchin is said to be one of the world's most intelligent newborn monkeys. They have the ability to use tools, learn new skills and have different signs of self-awareness. 9. Monkey understands the meaning of bias. They also know how to weigh things better than others, but are not affected by social and economic standards. 10. To communicate, monkeys use facial expressions, sounds and body movements. Monkeys communicate by sound, action, facial expressions. 11. The brain structure of monkeys and humans is similar. New research has revealed that human brains have much in common with monkeys. Monkeys are also used to control the language and complex thoughts. The way our brains handle the problems are the same. 12. Monkey expresses sympathy and affection for others by combing one another. 13. Trees, meadows, mountains, forests and high plains are the most common places where monkeys live. 14. Monkey carrying hepatitis, tuberculosis, and herpes virus B. 11. Most monkeys eat both plants and animals, and some monkeys also eat dirt. 12. Monkey in the New World has 36 teeth, while the world monkeys have 32 teeth. 14. South American monkeys TT monogamy. They become miserable when one dies. They show affection by kissing lips, cuddling, holding hands, grooming each other. 15. The biggest monkeys are monkeys. Their howls can be heard in about 3 miles in the open air and 2 miles in the forest. They spend 80% of their time resting. 16. The language of monkeys is as complex as human language. A new study has shown that the language of monkeys is more complex than we think. Monkey language is very similar to human language, and there are many variants. Monkeys can use simple sounds to create complex sounds.